In today's video session, we'll see plant location. So in this video session, we'll see definition of plant location, need, significance, importance of plant location, factors influencing plant location. So what is plant location? So plant location is a place where uh, resources of production, that is main material, money, machinery, equipment, are brought together for setting up a business or factory. What is the significance, importance, or need of plant location? It is found that inappropriate or wrong location of plant causes losses to owner. Wrong plant location leads to a constant source of higher cost, higher investment, difficult marketing, transportation, dissatisfied and frustrated employees as well as consumers, frequent interruption of production, abnormal wastage, delays, and substandard qualities of product. Plant location decision is a one-time decision. Change in plant location is not economically viable. If the plant location is not proper, then all money spent on factory building, machinery, and their installation will go as a waste, and the owner management has to suffer a great loss. Growth of industry depends on plant location. Plant location decision affects the efficiency, effectiveness, productivity, and profitability. Therefore, while selecting a site, management must consider technical, commercial, and financial aspects which provides maximum advantage. Let us see now various factors influencing plant location. So, if you see these factors, few factors are called primary factors, namely availability of raw material, availability of labor, nearness to the market, transport facility, availability of fuel and power, availability of water. Secondary factors like suitability of climate, government policies, availability of finance, competition between states, availability of facilities, disposal of waste. Let us see these factors one by one. The first one is availability of raw material. Availability of raw material is the most important factor in plant location decision. Usually, manufacturing units where there is a conversion of raw material into final finished good is the main task. So, such organization should be located in a place where the raw material availability is maximum and raw material is also available cheaply. Availability of labor. Adequate number of labor with suitable skills and reasonable labor wages can be highly benefit the farm. However, labor-intensive farms should select the plant location which is nearer to the source of manpower. Nearness of market for the finished good not only reduces the transportation cost, but it can render quick services to the customer. If the plant is located far away from the market, then chances of spoilage, breakage becomes high during transport. If the industry is nearer to the market, then it can grasp the market share by offering quick services. Transport facility. In order to bring raw material to the firm or to carry the finished goods to the market, transport facilities are very important. Depending on the size of finished goods or raw material, a suitable transportation is necessary, such as roads, water, rail, air. Transportation cost highly increases the cost of production. Such organization cannot complete with the cannot compete with the rival farms. Transportation cost must be kept low. Availability of fuel and power. Unavailability of fuel and power is the major drawback in selecting location of farm. Fuel and powers are necessary for all most of the manufacturing units. So locating farms nearer to the local beds power industry can highly reduce the wastage of efforts, money and time due to the unavailability of fuel and power. Availability of water. Depending upon the nature of the plant, farm should give importance to the location where water is available. For example, power plant which need water in abundance So such power plants should be located near the water bodies. Suitability of climate. Climate is really the influencing factor for industries such as agriculture, leather, textile, etc. For such industries, extreme humid or dry conditions are not suitable for plant location. Climate can affect the labor efficiency and productivity. Government policy. While selecting a location for the plant, it is important to know the local existed government policies such as licensing policies, institutional finance, government subsidies, government benefits associated with the establishing a unit in the urban areas or rural areas. Availability of finance. Finance is the most important factor for the smooth running of any business. It should not be far away from such financial institution should not be far away from plant location. Plant location. Financial institutions should be located nearer to the areas to get the working capital and other financial needs easily. Competition between states. In order to attract the investment and large-scale industries, various states offer subsidies, benefits, and sales tax exemption to the new units. Such incentives may not be a big, but it can help the firms during its startup stages. Availability of facilities. Availability of basic facilities such as school, hospital, housing, recreation clubs can motivate the worker to stick to the job. Disposal of waste. Disposal of waste is a major problem, particularly for industries such as chemical, sugar, and leather. So that selected plant location should have provision for the disposal of waste. In the next video, we'll discuss, you know, plant layout, different types of plant layout, relative advantages, limitation, etc. So this video session ends here.